Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So these are some of my most favorite lip colors nowadays जो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ. इसके अलावा भी मैं करती हूँ. हुदा के हो गए, रेयर ब्यूटी के हो गए. I use those as well, and lip oils by NYX and even ELF और एल्फ. और उसके अलावा मैं कोरियन ब्यूटी के भी 2-3 लिप कलर्स यूज़ करती हूँ. बट दीज आर लाइक जो आजकल आई एम रियली इनटू. सो ऑब्वियसली रोड पेप्टाइड्स मैं बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रही हूँ. दीज 3 कलर्स मुझे बहुत पसंद हैं. they're very good for your lips, very nourishing. Dior का मैं maximizer यूज़ कर रही हूँ, although I would still say कि I'm a fan of Too Faced lip injection, but ये भी बहुत प्यारा है. And I absolutely love this Chanel liquid lip lacquer. This is the shade Seashell and it's one hell of a pretty shade. A little bit obviously towards the expensive side, but बहुत ही प्यारा शेड है. It's a pinkish brown shade, तो बहुत earthy, बहुत प्यारा, makes your lips look so good and luscious. तो बड़ा pretty सा shade है. And if I talk about these lip blurs by Charlotte Tilbury, तो absolute goodness. This one right here, ये lip blurs हैं. So there's a difference between the lip blur and then what you call a proper, liquid lipstick. So this one is a lip blur in the shade Rose Blur. I absolutely love this shade. And then this is their liquid lipstick. Obviously, this is Pillow Talk medium. So this is towards the darker shade. मेरे पास lip blur में जो है वो Pillow Talk blur भी है, which is quite nice. And then obviously I have Pillow Talk. I'm a fan of Pillow Talk, as you can see. Lipstick as well. So obviously तीनों textures मैंने रखे हैं. Blur भी रखा है. कंसिडरिंग कि आप किस दिन क्या लगाना चाह रहे हैं. मैट इफ़ेक्ट, ज़्यादा डार्क लिपस्टिक, liquid lipstick would be really good. Transfer proof है. And then when you talk about the lip blur, तो lip blur से ये है कि आपका एक fuller lip की look आ जाती है. If you have got your eyes done, तो उसके साथ it looks really good. If you are casually even going out, तो lip blur would look really good. I'm trying to open the lipstick, but वो बड़ी stubborn हुई हुई है. Let me open it from the top. Yes, so here is the lipstick, Charlotte Tilbury, Pillow Talk. And lipstick, obviously, on the days you want to wear lipstick, right? तो ये है. I'm not really a big lipstick person, लेकिन I still do use them. And then comes the Dior liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, ये इतनी प्यारी हैं. और इनकी it's such velvety matte इनका texture है. They're really really good. Velvety matte texture है. Beautiful bottles. मैं आपको वैसे ही थोड़ा सा वो दिखा रही हूँ. Look at this color, such a pretty brown color, rosewood brown. And I'm more into nude shades and pinks. Reds में ज़रा कम ही रखती हूँ. And then there is this one. It is different than this pink, trust me. So yeah, so these are the Dior ones. Okay, so let's go with the Prada lipsticks. Exceptional packaging. बहुत ज़्यादा fakes आ गए हैं Prada के, and in fact fakes ही हैं Prada के. Again, people will have a lot of problem with me saying that, but it is what it is. So this is what the Prada packaging looks like, and it's like जैसे magnetic नहीं होता उस तरह का है. So here we go. This is a pretty red one. I haven't used it as of yet, but beautiful shade. Red with pink undertones and orange undertones. It's a very beautiful shade. And then we have more of these Pradas. मैंने Prada की अभी एक ही lipstick try on की है, which is very pretty. It's a pretty pink color, such a fresh pink color. It's this one. So as you can see, used हो चुकी है ये. It's a very pretty pink color. So excuse my child in the background, but yeah. So that was a little mini haul of mine. Let me know if you want to see anything next.